Hi, today I'm going to be telling you if Shein free gift is real. Now, in short, it's real. It's a program they have called a free trial. Now, when you think free trial, you'll think that you might be only getting this product for a temporary amount of time. But in reality, you'll be getting this product forever. They'll send you a free product. And in return, all you have to do is that you'll have to give them an in-depth review. You get clothes, Shein get reviews, and these reviews help them boost sales, right? Because when you buy a product, the first thing you look is for the reviews, right? So by going to free trial center here, you can pick on any one of these products here, right? Right now it says it's ended because right now there's no current free trial that's ongoing. But if you want to go to a free trial here, for example, you will have to sign up and it'll be like a lottery, right? So you'll sign up, a lot of people will sign up, and then it'll get randomly picked who win. And then the one who wins is the one that's going to get the free product. So for example, here, if I want to go to here, you can see, you can click on add to cart, but right now it's not free because, well, it's not a free trial. Right now there's none going on. But when there is, instead of add to cart here, you'll say enter free trial or something similar like that. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.